Welcome everyone to the Let's Crack the Gate initiative taken by the TQ faculties. I am Kranti Ingle. So currently working as an assistant professor at Ujjain Engineering College, and I have the 3+ years of teaching experience. This is our first lecture for the Enum. So let's see what is the outline for the today's class. So today first we'll discuss some basics regarding the enumeration data type. Then we'll see some features about the enumeration, and we'll do the programming for the C. So let's start the session. Start with our today's session. So enumerated data type. So enumerated data type is just like our structured data type. So it is one of the user defined data type. Okay. So we can call this enumerated as enum while declaring the elements of same data type. So this is one of the user defined data type. And second is that we can use this enum when we know in advance the list of the finite values that our data type will take. That means let me write this. So if we know in advance the finite list of values that our data type can take. ठीक है, मतलब जब अगर like if we have this advanced list कि अगर मुझे कोई data type declare करना है, so if I know in advance कि क्या क्या value, like let's say this is my value 1, this is my value 2, this is my value 3. So if I know that if my data type is going to be if my data type is like having one of this type, मतलब either उसकी value v1 हो सकती है, v2 या v3, so that time enumerator works. Okay, let's see the syntax to declare the enum, the user defined data type. So first we have to write this keyword enum, then the identity. Okay, and then inside the curly bracket we have to supply some enum names. Okay, so let's say this is our enum name 1, comma, this is the enum names 2, and so on. And finally we have to like close this curly bracket with the semicolon. So here this enum is a keyword, right? And this is the identity, that means the name, or we can say the user defined name, and these are the values that our data type is going to have. Okay, so we can, like when we declare the variables of this enum data type, like when we declare our own variables of this enum type, so that particular variable is responsible to take the values from this set only. Okay, and सेम लाइक आवर स्ट्रक्चर, दिस enum इज एंडेड विद द सेमीकोलन, है ना. तो जब कर्ली ब्रैकेट क्लोज हो जाएगा, सो वी हैव टू मेंशन द सेमीकोलन हियर. सो लेट्स राइट वन एग्जांपल. सो फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स से दिस इज माय enum and the name of this enum is, let's say, day. Okay, and inside this day, let's say I have the Sunday, Monday and Tuesday, and curly bracket close and semicolon. So here this is one example. So this is our data type, this is the name of our enum, right? And these are the enum names, or we can say the values of this like data type. Okay, and we have wrote these values inside this two curly bracket, and we have mentioned this semicolon जहाँ पे ये कर्ली ब्रैकेट क्लोज हो जाएगा. ठीक है, सो आइदर वी कैन लाइक मेंशन दिस कर्ली ब्रैकेट वाली थिंग्स बिसाइड दिस enum डे, और वी कैन राइट इट टू द लाइक इसके नीचे भी हम लोग वी कैन राइट इट. ओके, same like our structure variable, we can declare this enum variable. So let me write this example. So let's say this is our enum, then the name of this enum is day. So now this enum day is one user defined data type, and here we are mentioning this, let's say, Monday, ट्यूसडे एंड वेडनेसडे, ठीक है। एंड यहाँ पे मैं क्या कर देती हूँ, इसे अब सेमीकोलन। सो दिस इज अवर वन यूजर डिफाइंड डेटा टाइप enum day. So to declare the variable, I have to use this data type and the name of my variable. Okay, so here the d is now our enum variable and this d can take the values from this set, है ना। so enum can take either the value as a Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday. अगर इन तीन जो भी वैल्यू है या फिर जो कर्ली ब्रैकेट में whatever values we have supplied, so if we are trying to assign some different value to this enum variable, so definitely we'll get the error. Okay, so this is one way. The second way is that while mentioning this enum, we can like define our variable. So let's say this is my enum day and here, so these are the 3 days. Okay, and when this curly bracket close, मतलब यहाँ पे इसके बाद ही we can mention the variable, ठीक है। so यहाँ पे same like our previous this question, so same like this declaration. so here d is our enum variable and this variable is like hold the, so this is variable is responsible to take the values either Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे कर्ली ब्रैकेट में जितनी भी वैल्यूज होगी उतने ही वैल्यूज वी कैन असाइन टू दिस d, and d is a enum variable of user defined data type enum day. Okay, okay, so let's see this example. so this is our one enum day, so this is one user defined data type and here I am mentioning some values. so let's say Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, Saturday. Okay, तो अब when we declare something like this, तो internally compiler क्या करेगा, ये जो first enum name है या फिर ये जो first element है, इसे internally compiler एक integer value assign कर देगा. so that value is 0. ठीक है। for the next element the value is the value of the previous one plus 1. so in this case the Monday will take the value as 1, है ना, because the previous की value क्या थी 0, so 0 plus 1 is 1. for Tuesday it is like 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. okay, so let's write one small program here. Anyway we'll see this thing on an editor. so let me write one small program. so let me declare one enum. so this is my enum day. okay, and inside this I am passing the values. let's say Sunday, Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. तो यहाँ पे कितने भी values we can pass. so now this is my main function. so remember one thing, same like our structure, so we can like declare this enumeration or enum data type inside the main or outside the main, ठीक है, or inside any function or outside any function. so when enum is like define and declare inside any function, so that will act as a local to that function, so we cannot access that enum outside that function. okay, so and when we declare any enum outside all the functions, so that enum is act like a global variable or the global function. so all the functions which are available that can access that enum. okay, so here in order to access this, so I need to declare one enum variable. so let's say my variable is d. so after writing this statement, so this statement indicates, so d is our enum variable, right. so this is our enum variable of type enum day, है ना। तो because enum day is our what, so enum day is our user defined data type. तो अब ये जो d है, so d can hold the value either Sunday, Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday. अगर इन चारों में से if we specify any other value or assign any other things to this d, so definitely we'll get the compile time error. so let's say यहाँ पे मैंने ऐसे लिख दिया Monday, so and let me close this. okay, so add the return 0 here, right. so because we have this int main, so let's say this is written 0. So in this case अब यहाँ पे we have assigned this Monday and Monday is there inside this enum declaration, right? So therefore this program will like compile successfully and run successfully. Okay, so if let's consider that instead of this, if we have the statements, let's say D is equal to let's say Friday, so in this case जो होगा our program will not compile successfully and हमें क्या हो जाएगा, compile time error आ जाएगा. Okay, so remember one thing, this enum variable जो भी है इसका type क्या है, enum day type है. So that means this enum variable is responsible to hold the values which is there in the list of this enum day only. Okay, so we'll run this thing on the editor. Fine, so I hope this thing is clear. Okay, so let's see the features of enum. So the first feature is, so when we define any enum, so let's say this is my one enum, let's say the name is month and यहाँ पे जैसे मैंने लिखा है जनवरी, फेब, मार्च, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे मैंने 4 वैल्यूज पास किया है. सो दिस इज वन ऑफ लाइक दिस enum month is our user defined data type. एंड अगर हम इस लाइक enum month नाम का अगर कोई वेरिएबल्स क्रिएट करते हैं, एनी enum वेरिएबल, सो दैट वेरिएबल इज लाइक दैट वेरिएबल विल होल्ड द वैल्यू आइदर जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च और अप्रैल, है ना. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस वी कैन नॉट असाइन एनी अदर वैल्यू. So internally the compiler is assigning some integer value to this enum names, है ना. तो इसे हम लोग enum names भी बोलते हैं. So here the list, this list is there, so we can call this thing as enum names, ठीक है. So internally compiler क्या करेगा, तो हर एक वैल्यूज को एक इंटीजर वैल्यू असाइन कर देगा. सो लेट्स से ये मेरी फर्स्ट वैल्यू है, सो इसे कंपाइलर असाइन कर देगा 0. दिस इज माई सेकेंड वैल्यू, सो कंपाइलर इसे असाइन कर देगा इंटीजर 1 फॉर लाइक दिस थर्ड, सो दिस इज सेकेंड एंड देन थर्ड, ठीक है. सो दिस इनिशियलाइजेशन इज डन बाय होम, कंपाइलर, ठीक है. सो दिस इज वन फीचर. Okay, so here if we don't assign any value explicitly, then compiler assigns some value by themselves and value start with the 0. Okay, तो यहाँ पे we have not assigned any values explicitly to this enum names, तो compiler ने यहाँ पे क्या कर दिया, values assign कर दिए by like by default 0 से start होगा. Okay, so let me write one small code for this. So let's see, we have declare one variable of type enum month. So let's say my enum variable is m, ठीक है. अब this m में let's say मैंने assign किया है March. Okay, and let me add this printf statement. So as these are the integer value, so we can use the %d and m. So जब ये प्रोग्राम रन करेंगे हम लोग, so that time this statement will print the value 2, है ना. Why 2? Because compiler ने इसे integer value क्या assign कर दी है, 2 value. If we assign like if we have the statement something like this, m is equal to April, so in this case if we want to print this value, so the output will get as a 3. Okay, so if we are not assigning any values explicitly, then like if we will not assign any value, if we are not assigning any values to this enum names, so compiler by default assign some values. Okay, so this is how we can check the values. Okay, so second feature is we can assign, so we can assign some values to enum names in any order, ठीक है. तो इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी कि लाइक एक सीक्वेंस में ही enum लाइक नेम्स को वैल्यूज असाइन करना है. वी कैन लाइक असाइन एनी वैल्यूज टू एनी लाइक इन एनी ऑर्डर, ठीक है. एंड सो लेट्स से कि जैसे ये एक enum है, सो दिस इज अवर enum month तो इसमें लेट्स से दिस इज अवर जनवरी, सो यहाँ पे लेट्स से आई हैव असाइन द वैल्यू 4, ठीक है। देन फेब, मार्च लेट्स से 9, अप्रैल let's say June, okay, so let's not write this, ठीक है। so till May we have mentioned। तो अब यहाँ पे क्या है, so if you observe this, so we have assigned the value as 4। तो जब भी हम कोई इस enum month नाम का like एक वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर करेंगे, so let's say m, so this m जब इसे when we assign this January to m, and when we are like printing this value of m, so by using this printf, so this is like %d and m, so this variable m will give us the value 4, ठीक है। why 4? so अगर यहाँ पे 4 असाइन नहीं होता तो कंपाइलर क्या करता है, बाय डिफॉल्ट 0 से वैल्यूज को असाइन करना स्टार्ट कर देता है, बट यहाँ पे वी हैव असाइन सम वैल्यूज, है ना। सो वी हैव असाइन दिस वैल्यूज टू दिस enum नेम, सो अकॉर्डिंगली दैट वैल्यूज हैज बीन असाइन टू दिस लाइक नेम्स, एंड वो क्या हो जाएगा, वैसे प्रिंट हो जाएगा। ओके, सो वन मोर पॉइंट, तो फॉर दिस फेब, so we have not assigned any value, है ना। so for this unassigned places, like for this unassigned names, so how this how they will take their values, so they take their values by the value of previous plus 1। so for fab, so for this fab, so what is the value of previous, that is 4 plus 1, so fab will store the 5 as an integer, ठीक है। so for April, so for April the previous value is 9, so this is 10। for May, so previous value is 10, so this is 11, ठीक है। तो अगर हम like if we want to print this array, okay, so we can print this thing, so one by one we can assign the value of this Jan, February, March, April to some variables, and we can print that values, so we'll get the output as 4, 5, 9, 10 and 11। okay, so this is our second feature। so what is the second feature, that we can assign some values to like enum names in any order, है ना। so we can assign any values, not necessary कि that values is in a sequence। and second, the like all these unassigned, है ना, so these are what, these are some unassigned, we have not assigned any values to these names, so all these unassigned like names will get the values based on their previous value plus 1, okay। okay, so third feature is whatever values we are like assigning to these enum names, that must be of type integer, ठीक है। तो क्या मतलब है इसका, जैसे कि ये है मेरा enum, let's say this is my month, and so this is Jan। so if I am trying to assign the values जैसे कि 1.0 या फिर let's say 2.9, तो in this case will get the error, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे जो enum names में जो values assign होगी, तो ये जो value है that must be integer, है ना, otherwise will get the compile time error। okay, so fourth feature is the two or more enum names can have the same values, है ना। so the enum names can have same values। so what does this statement mean, so let's say this is our enum month, and inside this, let's say for January if we have assigned let's say 1, then for February let's say it is 1, March it is 1, okay। so we can assign, so these are our enum names Jan, Feb and March, and here we have assigned the same value, है ना, same integer value, this is 1, 1। so these enum names can have the same values, So we can either assign the 2 2 or 3 3 or any single like any same integer values to these enum names. Okay, so these are the 4 features which we have discussed just now. So first feature था कि if we are not assigning any values to this enum names, so compiler will assign some values by default and initial okay, so if we don't assign any values to this enum names, so compiler क्या करेगा, इसको कुछ values assign कर देगा. So कैसे values assign करेगा? So जो first enum names है उसे value 0, the second so previous plus 1, so it is like 0 plus 1 0 1 2 3 in the sequence. Okay, so this is one small code which we have seen कि यहाँ पे जैसे एक enum variable create कर दिया है m जिसका type है enum month. So this m is responsible or this m can hold the values either this Jan, Feb, March और April. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे जब मैंने इसके मार्च असाइन कर दिया, सो एज अ मार्च द इंटरनली कंपाइलर ने इसे क्या वैल्यूज असाइन कर दी होगी 2. So definitely we'll get the output as a 2. If we try to print the value of this April, so we'll get the output as a 3. So second feature which we have discussed कि we can assign some values to enum in any order, है ना. So it is not necessary कि sequence में ही values हो, we can assign any values to any enum names. तो यहाँ पे जैसे जनवरी को मैंने 4 असाइन किया था, मार्च को यहाँ पे मैंने 9 असाइन किया था. ठीक है, तो फॉर दिस अनअसाइन प्लेसेस, सो फॉर दिस अनअसाइन प्लेसेस सो दे कैलकुलेट देयर वैल्यूज बेस्ड ऑन द प्रीवियस वैल्यू प्लस 1. तो फॉर दिस फेब सो द प्रीवियस वैल्यू इज 4, so 4 plus 1 5. For April the previous value is 9, so it is like 9 plus 1 10, and for May it is the 10 plus 1 11. Okay, so the third feature is that we can only assign the integer value if we are trying to assign some floating or any other data type, so we'll get the compile time error. And the fourth feature which we have seen ki like the two or like many enum names can have the same values, so this statement is perfectly fine. Okay, so let's see these things on the editor. Okay, so this is the Xcode which I am using as an editor, so you can use any editor to write the code. Okay, so this is our int main void and this is return 0. We have included this stadio.h header file because we want to use the printf statements. Okay, so let's declare define this enum data type. So let's say this is the enum keyword and the name of our data type is, let's say, month, and inside the curly bracket we have to specify this enum name. So let's say this is the January, February, March, April. ठीक है, so these are some values. So let's run this code. So here we got one build success message. On the output screen will not get anything because we are not printing anything. Okay, so this is how we have created what user defined data type enum month. Okay, so okay, so let's see how we can create the enum variable. So in order to create the variable, we know that we have to mention the data type. So it is, the syntax is like we have to mention the data type and the name of that variable. So similar to this, so in this case the enum month is our new user defined data type, so I have to mention this enum month. ठीक है, and after this we have to like pass the name of that particular variable. So let's say here the variable for this user defined data type is m. ठीक है, so here this yellow because we got one warning that this is unused. So let's use this variable. So this is my m, so it is equal to, so this m is responsible to hold the values either this January, February, March or April. So let's see, we have assigned this m is equal to March. ठीक है, तो अब क्या कर दिया, m is equal to March असाइन कर दिया and let's print the value. So printf, so this is the printf and this is the %d comma m. Okay, so okay, so what I have done, so here I mentioned one enum month. So this is our user defined data type, and in this enum month we have the 4 enum names, so January, February, March and April. This means we have declared one variable, enum variable, and we have assigned this value March to that variable, and by using the printf we are trying to print the value of this enum variable m. So as we know कि if we are not assigning any values to this enum name, so compiler itself assigns some values. And compiler कैसे values assign करेगा? For the first enum names it will assign the 0, for February it will assign the 1, for March it will assign the 2, and for April it will assign the 4, right? 3. Okay, so in this sequence the compiler will assign the values. So let's see, like if we run this program, so we are expecting that our March, so as this is the March we are assigning to m, so we are expecting that the output as a 2, है ना? So this is 0 1 2. So let's run this code. Okay, so right, so here we got the output as 2. Let's assign some other values. So let's say this is APR, and now we are expecting that the values should print as a 3. So let's see this, right? So here we got the 3. Okay, so this is the one way where we can declare our enum variable. So other way is that जब यहाँ पे curly bracket close होगा, there itself we can declare our enum variable. So let's run this program. तो here also we got the output as 3 and our program में कोई error नहीं आया, compile भी successfully हो गया, है ना? So we have the two ways to declare this enum variable. तो एक होता है जब यहाँ पे जो definition हम लोग लिख रहे हैं enum variable की, उसी टाइम पे after this curly bracket and before this semicolon we have to mention the variable name, or we can mention inside some function with this data type. So यहाँ पे data type क्या है? enum month, ठीक है? Because this is a 2 word, so it is just like our structure as we discussed earlier. So we can declare this enum variable by 2 ways. So एक तो जैसे यहाँ पे after this definition जब ये curly bracket close हो जाएगा तभी इसे mention करना है, या फिर we can use the separate line जैसे कि enum month and m. Okay, so let's say that we want to assign some values to this enum variable जो कि इस enum names में present नहीं है. So let's say यहाँ पे मैं assign करने वाली हूँ December. Okay, so see यहाँ पे क्या आ गया? रेड लाइन आ गया कि दिस इज द अनडिक्लेयर आइडेंटिफायर DEC, ठीक है? सो जो भी enum वेरिएबल्स होंगे दैट वेरिएबल्स ओनली होल्ड्स द वैल्यू which is mentioned inside this curly bracket, ठीक है? Okay, so our next feature is okay, so यहाँ पे we have not assigned any value, तो compiler ने values assign कर दिया, but we can assign the values in any order. We have seen that we can assign the values to these enum variables in any order. So let's say कि यहाँ पे अगर मैंने 6 assign किया है, तो अब मार्च में क्या प्रिंट होना चाहिए? So for this unassigned values, so unassigned values कैसे वर्क करेगा? So for this unassigned values it will take the values of the previous enum names plus 1. So in this case the March will take the values as a 6 plus 1, so it will print the 7 on the console. Okay, so right, so this is 7. So if we want to print this April, so for April we'll get the output as 8, है ना? So as this is 6, this is 7, this is 8. Okay, so we can assign the values to this enum names in any order, and for this unassigned values, so this enum names can take the values for the previous values plus 1. So in this case if we want to print the January, so for January we have not assigned any values, so compiler will print assign the 0 and will get the output as a 0. Okay, so this is about our second feature. The third feature is that we can have the multiple enum names with the same values. तो यहाँ पे जैसे मैंने फेब को भी 6 वैल्यूज असाइन कर दिया एंड मार्च को भी 6 वैल्यूज असाइन कर दिया, सो दिस इज टोटली फाइन. सो इवन दो वी रन दिस प्रोग्राम, our program will compile and execute successfully, है ना? So why we got this 0? Because यहाँ पे जनवरी यहाँ पे असाइन किया था. So if we have assigned like this March, so we'll get the output as 6, right? So this is our next feature कि our enum names can more than one enum names can have the same values. ओके एंड द लास्ट फीचर ऑफ दिस enum is कि यहाँ पे जो values which we are trying to assign that must be of integer type. So if we are trying to assign any float type data, so definitely we'll get some error, right? तो देखो यहाँ पे रेड लाइन आ गया कि this is not the allowed expression. Okay, so here we cannot assign the float type data, but okay, so let me erase this. Okay, so but we can assign the character type data because we know that कि character is having the ASCII value. So let's see कि मैंने यहाँ पे single quote में एक values assign की है small a, है ना. So we know that the ASCII value of this a is 97 जो कि जनवरी में सेव हो जाएगा. So if we run this program, so we'll get the output as a 97, right? And if we'll not assign any value to this, so our fab will get the value as this 97 plus 1, right? So because this is uninitialized value, so for uninitialized value it will take the values for the previous plus 1. Okay, now here for March it will print the 6, but for April it will print the 7. So it is not necessary that we have to maintain the sequence for the values. Okay, so I hope that today's session is clear. So if you have any doubts, you can like post that thing on the comment box. So thank you.